Madam Grammar. We'll see your water. I drop my phone now. As I keep the card. I carry my phone, put on top. Who carry the money? I walk out. Hey! This thing cannot happen. It cannot happen. Okay. This girl. She say she feel use big grammar. Who thief my card? Una lie. In fact, I go treat you. What I say treat. Ndoshi na aba. Ngagwa na nwa aba ngwa. Owukwa Abakaleke. In fact, iwe. Who give me my recharge card?
Excuse me, I'll call you back.
Who give me my recharge card now?
What impudence! What audacity for you to confront me with such a thing?
Hey, madam, let me tell you now. And may we walk. At the quiverse. If you know my recharge card, where I keep my phone for that bench before you send me message. Ma go buy you water. I come back. I see my phone. I don't go see my recharge card.
Juliet!
What's happening?
That was rude. You shouldn't have slapped him.
Now I did. What will you do about it?
Ask that again, and I will remove your front teeth. Eh? Do you want to disfigure him?
In your 10th life, you will dare.
Hey, God. You're lucky. You're lucky that he's not my brother. If not, you would have regretted ever laying your filthy, dirty hands on him.
You can only pep talk. You and I know that you are half-wit to do anything.
Look at this slug.
Get out.
Come on, come here. If you... Say this idiot.
Who God go judge you?
It's okay, it's okay.
Who for this slap?
It's okay, Mr.
Don't worry.
It's fine.
You go send me message again.
Why did she have to slap you, even when she's the one that stole the recharge card? Is it because she sees you as an ordinary gate man?
Who don't see him? That is... I not say na
Intimidation.
Oh, thank you. Now what she carry come? Yeah? Me, I dey sure say na she collect that card. Don't worry.
You see why I've been telling you to quit this job and get something for yourself. Why would you be serving your fellow man?
Babe, if I quit this job, I won't take stand. Okay, you know say if I quit, I need to rent house. we buy
Furnitures.
property. I go need money to start up business. So tell me how I want to take do am.
Don't you have savings?
Hey, say
Savings.
that one. With the small service where they get. Not be an everyday family problem from village. Oh yeah, ma bring money. Oh, bring money. Oh yeah, ma, you bring money. Oh yeah, ma. I won't take. We save money again.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Onyema,
Who you?
Oga is calling you.
Eh?
Your Oga is calling you.
He there up, abi there down. Ube. The slap. Who they pay me? Who touch him? Touch him.
Go on.
Oh yeah. Wait. If I go, who come out? We go inside. We go massage him. I beg. You know say the slap go need massage.
Mama.
You call me mother, yet you refuse to take my advice. Why?
Is it because of this?
Yes. Why does such a beautiful girl like you smokes?
I learned it when I was in the UK, Liverpool, UK. Shortly after my father's untimely death, I had to drop out of school to take care of my mom and my siblings. But if you want me to stop, I can stop.
Yes, I want you to stop. Smoking is not just bad to your health, but it makes you look like a lost soul. And we don't smoke in this house. Please, try and stop it. And save yourself from impending damages awaiting.
All right, Mama. I will stop it only if you tell me to stop it. Like, right here and now.
Yes, stop it.
Okay. Done.
So, tell me, what about your mother? Is she still alive?
My mom is very much alive. And if you're asking to know if they are aware that I smoke, the answer is no. No one knows I smoke. They were too busy chasing their businesses and focusing on their important endorsements that they forgot to look out for us. You know, every day I crave a mother's affection.
It's all right. I don't want to know what really caused all this. But you have to look out for yourself. Okay?
Please don't stop.
Trisha, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry.
No, don't stop, please. Don't just stop. See, I've been wanting to do this for a long time, but the fear of what you girls will say. So please, just come.
Leave me. But you were the first to go and grace Boniface's bed.
Are we going to be discussing that now? Or should we get down to this?
Someone in the mask. Someone in the mask.
Shoma, Mama,
What are you doing?
I'm so sorry. You were enjoying the game, so I just didn't want to disturb you. That's why I came here to do it myself.
but there's no soup in the house. What are you going to do with the Gary?
Oh, I already made some. Yes, I cooked. I found some things I needed in the cupboard and in the fridge, so I decided to make the soup.
Really? Wow.
Let me just dish it out so we can go and eat. I'm done with... Sorry.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, Mama.
But, Shoma, who taught you how to cook?
I grew up with my grandmother. So while I was there, I learned how to cook.
Wonderful. I'm so proud of you. Come here.
Thank you, Mama.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, Mama.
Wow.
Let me just dish it out.
She left the plate here after eating. No. It's my job. Allow me to do it.
Mama, please. Thank you, Mama. Okay, sit, let's eat. I said let's eat.
No. Marga will not be happy with me if he sees me eating with you here. No. My food is in the kitchen now.
Mama, I've said this before and I am going to say it again. You don't have to be scared about anyone or anything when you're with me. Look, if Boniface doesn't like the way I treat you, he should tell me. He should come to me and tell me, and I will gladly leave the house for him. okay? I mean, this is the way I am, and I am not ready to change for anybody. So please, sit down and eat.
Unice, why did you remove my drink when I'm not done drinking?
I was the one that removed it. I mean, you answer lady and you wait till you're dirty as a pig. That's why.
I don't understand. Did you just call me a pig?
Of course. Only a pig will leave the dining table the way you left it.
Okay. You called me a pig when you're the one sitting there and eating with a pig. So between the both of us now, who is the pig there? Eh? Answer me.
Lillian.
How dare you? Are you stupid? Look, don't you ever talk to her like that again.
Chioma, did you just slap me? You just made the worst mistake of your life. Ow! Jesus Christ!
Get out!
Silly.
I'm coming back for you, Chioma.
Mama, she lacks manners. Didn't you see the way she talked to you?
It's okay. That's it.
Have you come to give me a query or send me out of the house?
What you did was wrong. Aren't you aware?
Look, I know what I did was wrong. But I promise you I am going to do it again. Should she or any other person insult Unice like that? Look, I know Unice is our house help and our cook, but she is old enough to be our mother, and we should accord her that respect.
So you did all of that because of Unice?
Yes, I did. I mean, I was the one talking to her. I had the issues with her, but yet she turned to Unice and called her a pig. That was when I lost it.
Put away the cigarette.
Sorry?
Turn it off and put it away. Let me have the entire box.
Sorry.
The entire box of the cigarette. Let me have it.
That bitch had the guts to slap me. I swear, I must kill her before I leave this contest. She must ever regret coming to this compound.
I have always hated her guts. And for what she did to you, she must pay.
Just look at what she did to my sweet face. Just look at.
It's okay. It's all right, baby. Just come here. It's okay. It's fine. We are going to avenge her together. For what she did to you, she must regret it, okay?
I swear.
sorry. I came to apologize for hitting you earlier. And please, when next you guys want to do this, lock the door, okay? Because if it was Boniface that walked in here on you girls, he wouldn't be happy about it. Please.
What in the name of a demon is this girl?
I don't know. What are we going to do?
Anyways, let's forget about her.
Are you sure?
Let's continue.
Are you sure she's not going to open her mouth?
That's her business. Let's continue, please. Come on.
Okay.
Mama, honestly, I'm so sorry for my outburst earlier. I really didn't mean to react that way. But then again, I can't just sit back and watch her insult you. I'm so sorry, Mama. Please forgive me.
It's okay, Choma. You did the right thing. It's something my son would have done if he is to be here.
You have a son?
Yes, I do. 2 actually.
How? Where are they? How come they're allowing you to stay here? They're supposed to take care of you.
My dear, not everyone are privileged to be born in a rich home. My sons are struggling, and I don't want to inconvenience them more than life has already offered them.
Well, don't worry, Mama. If I win the contest, you will no longer be a house help but my mother. But if I don't win, then I'll have to ask Boniface to let me take you.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome, Mama. You're welcome, Mama.
Unice, please help me boil hot water and bring it to my room.
Hey, come here. Can't you go into the kitchen and boil it yourself? Why is it always Unice this, Unice that? Can't you guys just let her leave?
This is why she's being paid. So let her work and earn her wages. I'm waiting.
It's okay. I need to sorry.
Mama, I apologized to Lillian earlier. I just wanted to let you know.
You did the right thing. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Ma.
You will all be showing your feminine ability. Hey. Which means you all will enter the kitchen and cook. As we all know, the best way to a man's heart is through his stomach.
Excuse me. Please, I want to get something straight. Do you expect us? Sorry, I rephrase. Do you expect me to go into the kitchen and cook?
Oh, yes. Remember, you're not just cooking for anyone, but your husband.
If I'm to cook for my husband, the prince, of what use are the servants? They are paid to cook.
To cook?
Clean the palace. Do the laundries. I mean, everyone is not meant to suffer in life.
You don't expect your servant to cook for your husband all the time, unless you want him to be poisoned or probably snatched. The task for today is to cook, and that is final. And at the end of the day, you all will present what you cooked for Mr. Boniface to taste and rate it. Are we good?
But why Mr. Boniface?
You're serious about his cooking? I mean, there's a cook here. I don't know how to cook.
My goat meat till it was well cooked, and then I started mixing Add palm oil to a pot, fry your onions and then add your egusi paste. Fry it well till it is dry. Next, pour in your proteins, blended crayfish, pepper and ogbe and enough water according to how you want your soup's consistency to be. Cook for 5 minutes and add your seasoning cubes and salt to taste. Cook again for a bit and then add your ugu leaves. But we're not done here. Now add your secret ingredient, which is your scent leaves. Mix it well, and guys, I am not capping. Try this.
I think this is all her soup.
In our kingdom, who will be the lucky queen? The lucky, who will be the chosen one?
Me.
So, please can you remove them?
Must I remove them? All right. So, here's the pot. Pour the water and put it on the fire. Come closer, come closer. Pepper, onions. No? So. Wash your hand first. Wash your hands. I don't know how to do these things. Be careful with the top, shake it. No, put it. Yes. I'll put it up in the fire. And here is it. Well, I don't smoke. You use it and put on the gas. How? Can't do that. Try first. Try it. Put the water on the gas. Wash them and slice them. No, they're supposed to be a blender. No, you're supposed to use your hand to slice it. How? Here is the bowl.
In our kingdom, who will be the lucky queen? The lucky, who will be the chosen one? The lucky, who will be the lucky queen? mama born you well, baby. Mana were fane wepunano tupu eliano. Baby go sit no wegi. Show wetin you got. Go see Bezia wegi. Can't focus Ecuador. Oh, this is competition in an open field. If you hustle well, you go win. If you try hard, you go win. If you hustle.
You see what I mean? Add what? Go pick the vegetables. Yes, this one. Who said it's bad? Please cut it. You don't wash it.
What? Oh, shit. Oh. Who made this? Oh, who made this? Salt! You want to kill the prince? Huh? Is this how you cook? How many bags of salt did you put? 3? 4?
No.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
Where's yours?
This one.
No salt.
You don't cook with salt in your village. No taste. You would have asked her to give you salt or something. Jesus Christ. Where's yours?
This one.
This one? Yes, from Oxford University? California. Oh, okay. Oh, shit.
California. Take your serviette, sorry.
How to cook? California? Huh? Is this what they asked you to make for the prince?
Why?
You're not a serious person. Please, where's yours?
This is mine.
Okay. Well, this is coleslaw. Vegetables. But there's no cream. Okay, I'll just taste it. Okay. It's not bad.
Thank you.
It's actually nice. Nice.
Thank you.
Please, where's yours? What's this? Pasta. Okay. It's nice.
Thank you.
You made this? And you made this?
Yes.
Oh, that's good.
Thank you.
And you made this?
Yes.
You made this? And you're proud of it?
Very, very.
Very, very. You're proud of yours?
Yeah, I'm proud.
What do you have to say about yours?
I'll do it again.
You'll do it again? Yeah. Alright guys, to cut a long story short, yeah? This is serious business. Are you guys joking? What do you think this is? This is a competition, for crying out loud. You need to cook, you need to be at your best so that when the prince tastes your food, he can pick you for a wife. Don't you understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Why are you looking at me like that? Are you expecting me to eat your food again? Never! Please, can you just pack these things?
Okay, sir.
Good night, all of you.
We can cook something else.
The chosen one, the lucky, oh, we be the lucky the lucky, oh, we be the chosen one.
Dare you touch me?
I want you to teach me how to dance. Can you do that?
Look, Boniface, if you're looking for who to sleep with, because obviously that's what you're trying to do, you can go pick one of your whores. One of those whores willing to grace your bed for a favor. And not me.
Chima, why are you so stubborn? Why not take my offer? An opportunity of a lifetime. I'm trying to make you happy for the rest of your life. Don't you understand? My brother is going to get married to you, and you're going to become the queen of the kingdom. Wouldn't you like that? Don't you want to win?
Boniface, I want to win. Okay? I will take my chances. But sleeping with you wasn't what I signed up for. So please, can you leave my sight?
Chima, I own this contest. I say who wins and who loses.
Boniface, get out. Boniface, Excuse me.
We go carry you. We go London. Baby.
Oyema, take this money, go and buy me a recharge card.
I'll go and buy it. Don't worry.
No, baby. Let me go and buy it.
And who is she? Because I've not seen this face in this compound before.
Unice. Una my friend. Let me go and buy.
Don't worry. Sit down here at your duty post while I go and buy it. I don't want anything stolen from you before I return.
Are you indirectly calling me a thief or what?
I never said anything like that, but since things mysteriously miss, anytime any of you send him on an errand, does it not require for him to be more careful?
Excuse me. Mind the way you talk to me, because next time I will do more than this.
Hey. Oh, baby.
You.
Oh, baby.
Hey, go and get me the recharge card, Oyema. Pick the money.
You see what they cost?
Pick this.
You see what they cost? Baby, don't go. You see what you cost? Baby,
can you imagine? Don't waste my time.
Are you not going to lose your job following me like this?
Baby, please now. Now you call this in, no? It should be. I tell you, say, baby, wait. Baby, cool down. No agree. I say, make I go buy the recharge card myself. Baby, you refuse. Who will make that girl call slap you now? Baby, because no. Oh.
Okay, so I should let it go. I should let it go when you allowed that loose cheap girl slap me. And you, my man, you could not do anything.
Hey! Baby, you say me, I not do anything. Me, baby, if I there make you see, waiting I do the idiot. Hey, but baby, check am now. You know say month don the end though. If I slap am back, who go lose the job, lose the salary, and you know say na only 2 days you remain make the month end. Check am now.
Is that what you are saying? I'm going.
Baby, because no. Baby, nkem. Oh, my cham. Oh, baby. You know say I love you because no. I promise you. Just cool down. Wait for me. It's just after the contest. I collect my salary for this month. I got resign, baby. Trust me.
Is that a promise or you're just saying it?
Original promise. No be fake. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. You know say this is why I like you.
Baby. No, I love you. And I believe you can make it outside this job.
Baby. In fact, you see, you just stay with me. Once I collect my salary, me and you, we go start life again. I no go dey that house again. Baby, you don't forgive me. Oh yeah, I beg. Follow me. We make we go buy the recharge card for the sake of my salary.
Let's go. I'll follow you anywhere.
Hello, ladies. Hello, ladies.
Hello.
Come on, put a smile on your face. Come on, smile, smile, smile. Smile, smile. Oh, okay. So I've got good news for you. My brother, the Prince Leo, he called me today and he said He's coming back in 2 days' time. Aren't you excited? No, you don't sound excited enough. Are you not excited? Come on.
Yeah, we are excited.
Great. So, I'm saying this to all of you because I want you to know if any of you have an unfinished card to play, this is your opportunity to do so. You know exactly what I mean. Yes. I'll reiterate myself. If you have an unfinished card to play, all right then, in the absence of none, I'll suggest we go back to our normal lives. Is that okay? Is that okay?
Okay.
Good. Enjoy the rest of your day.
What is your plan? Do you think you stand a chance of winning it?
Mama, honestly, I don't know. But even if I don't end up winning, at least I met you. And I'm glad I met you because you stopped me from smoking. You're such a very good influence to me. Thank you so much, Mama.
You're welcome. Let me go and make a breakfast for us.
Mama, come. I'll help you. Come, really. Thank you. You're welcome.
Hi, Chama.
Hi.
Can I speak to you in private?
Go ahead.
Whatever you want to say, you can say it here.
You don't expect me to talk to you in front of my chef or my help. That's totally inappropriate.
It's okay, Choma. It's okay. Please, don't forget who you are. Be a good girl that you've always been, okay?
Okay, Mama. We are alone now. What is it?
Chioma. So I'm aware you have been friends with my chef, helping her with house chores that she's been paid to do. Instead of focusing on winning the contest, doing the right things to ensure that you win the contest. Don't you want to win?
Boniface,
Yes, please.
I want to win, and I want to win fairly.
I like your guts. But trust me, there's no fairness in the world. You can take that to the bank. Even the scripture says that violence must take it by force.
You see, this mindset is the reason so many people do so much wrong to win. I mean, what happened to doing things fairly? That is what I plan on doing. And besides, I like Unice. She's a very nice lady and I really like her. So please, can I ask you for a favor?
A favor? What could that be?
If maybe I don't win the contest, can you please allow me to take Unice out of this place? I mean, she deserves a better life. She needs something better. Unice is always so stressed out in this place. I need to give her a better life, please.
So, you're boldly telling me that you want to take my house help away from me because you feel she's not being treated right.
Boniface, you know you can get someone else. You can get a better chef, a better house help, anybody.
Okay. What makes you think I want to do that for you? I mean, you just said you know I can get. Is that the reason why you think I would want to let you take her away from me? Is that the only reason, or you have other reasons?
She needs rest.
Oh, I see. Okay, I'll make you an offer.
Okay.
I like you. You're so beautiful. And because I like you, I want you to come to my room tonight. Come and sleep with me. And I'm not just going to give you Unice to take home with you if you do not win the contest. I'm also going to ensure that my brother, the prince, gets married to you. How about that? Am I not nice?
You know, you can keep trying from now till eternity. But that will never happen. Okay?
Why? It's not like you're a saint. You're not a saint. Come on, you're not a virgin. Chioma, you're wild. You smoke. You drink alcohol. Look at you. Come on. I said I'm going to give you a lot of money if you sleep with me. Why don't you consider that?
Boniface, my appearance has nothing to do with my personality and integrity.
Oh, come on. It has everything to do with it. Like I said, you're not a virgin. And you're here with me. So why not sleep with me and get a lot of money? And you stand a chance to become the wife of the prince. I can make all of that happen for you. Don't be a clown. Come on, take the offer.
I'm sorry to disappoint you, Mr. Boniface, but this will never work.
Chioma, you're out of the contest. I'm in charge here. We never met.
So far, he therefore requests that you maidens should hold on a little while, as they are yet to hear from the gods, to proceed with the celebration, where one of you will be crowned the next queen. Any question?
Yes. We are not left with any servant. Tell His Royal Majesty that we need at least a cook.
I will relay the message. Any more questions?
For how long is the gods going to give a date?
That I don't know.
But this wasn't what they promised us. I mean, what's going on?
Exactly. I'm tired.
But at least we should be happy. At least one of us is off already. The contest is now the 26th of March.
Yeah.
Ladies.
Okay, we can wait for a few days. I think.
Okay. All right, ladies. That will be all.